Hello and welcome to my 10th and more than likely final free WordPress blog tutorial for free blogs. So, in the past few videos, we've created an entire blog, destroyed it, and recreated it again, and now we're going to destroy and recreate it again. This is mostly just for practice sake, to be able to just practice, troubleshooting when things break when you switch themes, as happened in the last video. So, today, we're destroying and reconstructing again, and then pretty sure you'll be able to figure out other themes on your own, but we're just going to do one more just for kicks. So, themes, free, blog. Ooh, look at all these. So, want to know if it's going to look good when you click on it. Like, let's do this one. Open live demo just to see what it look like. It won't like put your content on there, but like just kind of show you what it looks like. Well, I know, whatever. Let's try it. Customize. Here's where we see with the damage. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice, clean, and simple, actually. I like it. Look at that. They kind of got rid of our widgets on the bottom here. They kept the ones on the side, though. And then this box is highlighted here because this is a day that we posted a post. So if I posted every day, they would all be blue, but I didn't. So yeah, there we go. All right, site identity. Let's see what happens if we add a logo. I have a feeling it's gonna look really bad, but yeah, that looks horrible. All right, it looks better without a logo. We'll just leave it that way. Good. Colors and background. Pick a color. Ooh, I like that. That's cool. What goes well with the cat? Pick your own color. There, that's good enough. Or I could pick an image for the background. Maybe I want this cat right here. And the only thing is you can't see it, so that's kind of boring. So, options, hide background image. There. We don't need an image. It looks really bad with it, so we'll leave it that way. Those are fine. Header image. No header. I don't think this theme is heavy on the pictures, so you really don't need a header anyway. I have a feeling if we added a featured image, it would look really, really bad. So I would recommend just like, if you want pictures, post it within like here, I'll show you, within the actual page, like I showed you before, like this. Because then it's manageable. You're guaranteed that it won't be like a huge picture. It looks nicer that way. So I would not add featured images. Content options. Fine. Widgets. All right. So looks like they only let you do 2 widgets on the bottom, which is fine. So that's Maisie's birthday's already in there. The sidebar has all the stuff that we like. Bottom 2. Let's do like recent posts because we don't have that yet. Recent posts. Right here. If you want to be all fancy, you can do recent articles. Makes it sound more sophisticated. See that? Very nice. Publish. Homepage settings, those are fine. They're the same. Alright. There we go. Site looks different now, but I kind of like it that way. Let's take a look at it in the full version. So if you like kind of a simpler design, this one didn't have quite as much maintenance work to do. Visit site. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, looks nice. So Let's look at the blog page really quick. I didn't get to see that. Oh, very nice. So this one doesn't have a picture, so this is what it looks like when it doesn't have a picture. The date, post, text, a little excerpt. The second one has a picture, so they're going to show the picture. Ooh, they're showing like the whole post. I see a problem here. Well, after some digging around, I figured out you cannot change this. You can't change the excerpts. They're always going to show the whole post, which is really annoying, actually. I don't like that about this theme. That's really not cool. So if you don't like that about this theme, there really isn't a way to change it, which is really annoying, actually. Yeah, I'm not very happy with it. But another thing that I discovered was that if you go to themes and you find the theme that you find a theme that you have used before. So let me find it. Let's go back to the one we were just on. If I find this same theme that we used before, I click on it, I activate it, it kind of remembers what I did with it before. I'll show you. See, look at it. The color is the same, this is full width. So it kind of sort of remembers exactly what I've already done. It got rid of my widgets. The widgets always get messed up, but that's okay. The widgets on here, though, they didn't get messed up. Kind of added one there. But, so if you don't ever like a theme that you picked and changed to, you can always go back to the one that you had before, and you won't have to start all the way back at 0, and it will be pretty much the same as where you left it. Kind of remembers where you were at, which is, I think, is really cool. So, there you go. There you have it. I have completed the tutorial. I may or may not add more videos in the future as I think of more tips, and those will be tips and tricks that are not associated with the main tutorial. These 10 videos are the main tutorial. But congratulations, and I'm excited for you to start your blog and start sharing your voice with the world, or with the people that happen to read your blog, like your family and friends, or the world, if that is your intention. So yeah, there you go. Happy blogging and have a great day.